What happened, Stacy?
What happened, Bella?
Why are you fat again? We're gonna talk about something that's very obvious. Yes. It's our weight gain. Yeah. But most especially your weight gain because I've never been fit and hot at the same time.
Wow, it's an honor.
But I can be fat and hot at the same
yes,
time.
yes, agree.
Aminin mo.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Pero ikaw, nagpaka-fit ka eh. And na-witness ko to right before my eyes.
I
Nung
know.
pandemic. Bakit ka ba nagpapayat? Parang gigil na gigil ka nun eh. Parang giyang na giyang ka talaga, I must lose weight.
Malakas talaga yung motivation ko to lose weight pag may
Ano?
lalaking nag-break ng heart ko, ganyan.
So dapat ba may mag-break na naman ang
Oo nga
heart?
can I just date someone who can just break my heart
Don't
again?
say
Joke lang.
that.
But anyway, so what happened was, so sakto as in February 2020, I remember.
Yeah, it's our
So
birthday.
nakapag-break sa akin yung ex ko. Tapos I was so devastated, like gusto ko siya na, even though now I'm grateful na hindi, you know what I mean?
Yeah, pero noon, nung
Yeah,
tayo,
nung time na yun,
tayo.
parang, this is the guy I wanna be with. Just because on paper, parang, okay na eh. Parang ito na. Kebs na everything else. Basta I just really want this guy.
Okay.
So anyway, he broke up with me for valid reasons. So I got so heartbroken. And nakita mo yun, nag-pandemic. Tapos I was just crying every day.
So sad.
I just-
Looking out the big window of our
Wailing
condo, wailing.
and just like... Kaya ka nagagawang ano eh. And then I was going through that, right? And at some point, I felt like a loser na parang...
Pathetic na neto.
Ang pathetic na. Oh, parang enough with the pity party.
Oo.
Like, it's been dragged on for months.
Right.
So like...
Oo nga, may pusa ka na no.
Yeah. So I bought
Alfie, tas
my
you're ready
precious
to
son,
move
my
on.
biological son, my child.
Whatever.
A Siamese cat. But anyway, so I was trying to move on. Tapos parang pandemic, wala naman tayong magawa, di ba?
Right.
So I
Nag-K-drama
started-
lang, nag-K-drama.
Nag-K-drama. We were locked in the
Locked,
condo. Parang, I need to move. I need to do something with my time. So, doon na ako nag-start mag-workout. Doing home workouts, like on YouTube. I think I started going up and down the stairs.
Right.
ng
Emergency,
fire escape.
yung
Yeah.
emergency escape. Oh.
So, did that. Really started working out. And it was good for my mental health.
Oo.
Parang na-feel ko talaga yung benefits, no? Na parang, at least my mind's taken out of the breakup.
Right.
At the same time, of course, the motivation is not really just my health. The motivation was also like, revenge body to, bro. Like,
Revenge
I really,
body.
at least man lang, parang magsisi siya na iniwan na ako, di ba? Because nag-glow up talaga ako. Parang ganon.
Ba't di ka nag-glow up nung kayo? Parang hindi ka niya iniwan. Charot. Hindi naman niya ako iniwan. Joke lang.
It was other reasons.
I know.
Okay? More spiritual. And
Okay.
I respect that.